This is a review for the BLUEAIR 311i Max. This unit is about 19 inches tall. It's about 13 inches in diameter at the base and about 11 inches in diameter at the top here. The unit weighs about 7.5 pounds. When it comes to filtration, this unit has a fabric pre-filter, a proprietary particle filter, and a thin foam carbon filter. Air enters this unit all around the base here. It enters through the fabric pre-filter, through the particle filter, then through the carbon filter, and then it exits through the top of the unit here. This unit has 3 fan speeds, low, medium, and high, and pressing the fan speed button repeatedly also cycles to an auto mode and a sleep mode. This unit outputs at about 250 CFM, and it usually retails for around $190. Moving on to things that we like and dislike about this unit, the first thing that we really like about it is its high airflow. It outputs at 250 CFM, meaning that 250 cubic feet of air moves through its filters each minute, and that is really good airflow. Its high airflow also gives this unit a large area of coverage. We recommend it be used in rooms up to about 300 square feet. So you do get very good airflow and very good area of coverage with this BLUEAIR unit. This unit also has very good airflow for the price. When we divide its airflow by its price, we get a CFM to dollar ratio of about a 1.3, which is a very good competitive ratio. This air purifier is also highly energy efficient. It has a CFM to watt ratio of 8.9 on its highest fan speed. That is a very good ratio for a unit of this size. This unit also has relatively low noise output for its size. We measured its noise output on its highest fan speed at 65.8 decibels, which is a relatively low reading for a unit of this size. Finally, this air purifier is also very light for its size and airflow. It weighs only about 7.5 pounds. Most competitors with similar airflow are upwards of 13 pounds, 14 pounds, even up to 16 pounds. So you can see how this unit is much lighter than most competitors with similar airflow. And that brings us right into the things that we don't like about this unit. It's super lightweight because of its very unique design. There's a heavy motor on the top here, a relatively heavy motor, but below here you basically just have filters. There's an internal frame that holds the filters, but that frame is very light. So you basically have a relatively heavy motor on the top here, but the rest of the unit is basically just filtration. So that's what makes it very light. The issue here is that because the filters are not enclosed, the fabric pre-filter is exposed to the exterior here. So you can easily see large debris accumulating on the pre-filter. When this pre-filter deteriorates in quality, it's a fabric of course, so it will deteriorate over time. When this fabric pre-filter deteriorates, you will also be able to see that. So there's a lot of visibility here on the filtration, which is not a positive for this unit. Another unique aspect to this air purifier that is not a positive is the fact that it has a proprietary particle filter. Top-rated units that we recommend all have HEPA filters, and HEPA filters provide a standard level of filtration that is very high. HEPA also provides a long track record of being commonly used in hospitals, industry, and working very effectively in those settings. With this BLUEAIR air purifier, with that proprietary particle filter, there's much less research, much less testing, much less of a proven track record with the proprietary particle filter that's in this unit compared to that of HEPA filters. Another negative for this unit is its carbon filter. Its carbon filter is only a very thin carbon sheet. On top-rated units, again, you do get a much higher quality filter. With the WINX 5500-2, for example, you get activated carbon pellets in its carbon filter. And that's a much better quality filter than you get on this BLUEAIR air purifier. The last negative that we'll mention here is the filter cost on this unit. Now, one filter set for this unit is not much more than it is for most competitors. It usually retails for about $45. The problem here is that the manufacturer recommends that its filter be replaced every 6 to 9 months. And if you do that, if you replace it even every 9 months, the filter cost for this unit is $60 per year, which is more than it is for top-rated competitors at the same airflow with similar size filters that actually have HEPA filters and much higher quality carbon filters. When it comes to general recommendations, this BLUEAIR 311i Max is generally not recommended. Top-rated air purifiers we do recommend aren't quite as energy efficient as this unit. They're a little bit louder than this unit, but they do have a higher quality pre-filter that is actually hidden behind a grill. So you don't see large debris accumulating on the pre-filter. You don't see wear on those pre-filters over time like you do on the 311i Max. Those units also have HEPA particle filters and higher quality carbon filters. The WINX 5500-2 specifically has the same airflow as this BLUEAIR air purifier. It has a better quality pre-filter. It has a HEPA particle filter, an activated carbon filter with activated carbon pellets. It also has cheaper filters, and it's cheaper to buy. The air purifier itself is cheaper. And so the WINX is generally a much better option than the 311i Max. See the description of this video to check the latest pricing on the WINX, We'll also put a link there to the latest updated list of all of the air purifiers we recommend, and thank you for watching.